In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to get Chrome working again. Step 1. Restart your PC. Sometimes, temporary system glitches prevent Chrome from opening. Restart your computer and try launching Chrome again. Step 2. Close background Chrome processes. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Google Chrome processes, select them, and click End Task. Now, try opening Chrome normally. Step 3. Check for conflicting software. Some antivirus programs or apps can block Chrome. Temporarily disable them and see if Chrome opens. If it works, add Chrome to the antivirus exceptions. Step 4. Reset or reinstall Chrome. If the problem persists, uninstall Chrome from Control Panel, Programs, uninstall the program. Download the latest version from the official Google Chrome website and reinstall it. Step 5. Check user profile issues. Sometimes corrupted user profiles prevent Chrome from opening. Navigate to rename the default folder to Backup Default and try opening Chrome again. Chrome will create a new clean profile. That's it. Chrome should now open normally on your Windows PC. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.